Welcome to AGRI Chronicles. Today, we're embarking on a journey beneath the surface into the fascinating world of dung beetles. These small but mighty insects are the unsung heroes of our fields and forests. Forget what you think you know about insects. Dung beetles are nature's recyclers, soil engineers, and even cultural icons. Their story is one of strength, ingenuity, and vital ecological service. In this episode, we'll uncover every aspect of dung beetles, from their unique biology and remarkable behaviors to their crucial role in ecosystems and their place in human culture. Get ready to discover why dung beetles are far more than meets the eye, and why their survival matters to us all. When you first spot a dung beetle, you might notice its shiny, armored body, often black, brown, or even metallic green or blue. Their compact, rounded shape and strong, spiny legs are built for digging and rolling. There are thousands of dung beetle species worldwide. Some are small and round, others are larger with impressive horns or ridges on their heads, each adapted to their unique environment. Their most famous behavior? Rolling balls of dung much larger than themselves. Some species are tunnelers, burying dung underground, while others simply live inside it. All are perfectly equipped for their role, with powerful forelegs and specialized mouth parts. At first glance, people might react with surprise or even disgust, but look closer, and you'll see a marvel of evolution, an insect whose unique adaptations make it a vital part of healthy ecosystems. Dung beetles are not all the same. In fact, they come in three main types, each with a unique way of handling dung and a special role in the ecosystem. Meet the rollers, the tunnelers, and the dwellers, nature's cleanup crew, each with their own strategy for survival. Rollers are perhaps the most famous. They shape dung into balls and roll them away, sometimes over long distances. These balls become food stores or nurseries for their eggs. After burying the ball, the female lays a single egg inside. When the larva hatches, it has a ready meal and a safe place to grow, far from hungry competitors. Tunnelers take a different approach. They dig directly beneath a fresh dung pat, creating tunnels and chambers underground. They pull pieces of dung down into these tunnels where they lay their eggs. The buried dung feeds their young and enriches the soil, improving its structure and fertility. Dwellers, on the other hand, stay right inside the dung. They don't roll or tunnel, but instead lay their eggs within the pat itself. Their larvae develop surrounded by nutrients, breaking down the dung from within and helping it decompose quickly. Beneath our feet, dung beetles are hard at work, transforming animal waste into a powerful resource. By burying dung, they recycle nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, enriching the soil and fueling plant growth. In fact, a single dung beetle can bury over 250 times its own weight in dung in one night. As they tunnel and roll, dung beetles aerate the soil, improving its structure and water retention. This natural tilling helps crops grow stronger and reduces the need for artificial fertilizers. Studies in Australia show that pastures with active dung beetle populations have up to 30% more grass growth. Dung beetles also protect livestock and wildlife by breaking down waste quickly, which disrupts the life cycles of parasites and flies. In Africa, their activity reduces fly populations that spread disease among cattle and wild animals, making herds healthier and more productive. By recycling nutrients and controlling pests, dung beetles create a ripple effect that benefits entire ecosystems. Their work supports not just farms, but grasslands, forests, and the wildlife that depend on them. Protecting dung beetles means investing in a healthier, more resilient future for agriculture and nature alike. The ecological value of dung beetles reaches far beyond the boundaries of farms. These remarkable insects are vital players in maintaining healthy grasslands, thriving forests, and robust livestock populations. In grasslands, dung beetles break down and bury animal waste, preventing the buildup of dung that would otherwise choke out plants and reduce biodiversity. Their activity helps maintain open, healthy pastures for grazing animals. In forests, dung beetles recycle nutrients by breaking down animal droppings and returning essential elements to the soil. This process supports plant growth and sustains the entire forest ecosystem. For livestock, dung beetles play a crucial role in reducing parasite populations. By quickly removing dung, they disrupt the life cycles of pests and disease-causing organisms, leading to healthier herds and less need for chemical treatments. Studies show that dung beetles save the global livestock industry billions of dollars each year by providing natural waste management and pest control. Their work also reduces greenhouse gas emissions and improves soil health, making them essential allies for both the environment and the economy. Dung beetles are true powerhouses of the insect world. Some species can push, pull, or roll objects over 1,000 times their own body weight, an astonishing feat for any creature. To put that in perspective, it's like a human dragging 6 double-decker buses packed with passengers. They can even overcome obstacles, climbing over rocks, roots, and rough terrain without letting go of their precious cargo. But their abilities go beyond strength. Dung beetles are expert navigators. Some species use the light of the Milky Way to travel in straight lines at night, ensuring their dung ball reaches a safe spot. Their strength and ingenuity make them living symbols of endurance and resilience. Across the world and through the ages, dung beetles have captured the human imagination. Their story is woven into the myths, art, and beliefs of many cultures. In ancient Egypt, the scarab beetle was revered as a symbol of rebirth and transformation. Egyptians carved scarabs into amulets, jewelry, and tombs, believing the beetle's daily rolling of the sun across the sky mirrored the journey of life and renewal. Beyond Egypt, dung beetles appear in the folklore and art of Africa, Asia, and the Americas. In some traditions, they represent persistence, balance, and the cycle of life, turning waste into renewal. Even today, artists and storytellers use the dung beetle as a symbol of resilience and transformation. From museum exhibits to modern jewelry, their image endures, reminding us of nature's power to inspire. Despite their vital role, dung beetles today face a growing list of challenges that threaten their survival and the health of our ecosystems. Habitat loss from expanding agriculture and urban sprawl destroys the natural spaces dung beetles need to thrive. Pesticides and veterinary chemicals, like dewormers in livestock dung, can poison dung beetles and disrupt their life cycles. Climate change brings new threats, altering rainfall patterns, increasing droughts, and shifting the habitats dung beetles rely on. As dung beetle populations decline, waste accumulates, parasites spread, and soil health suffers, impacting crops, livestock, and entire ecosystems. Protecting these unsung heroes means adopting sustainable practices, preserving wild habitats, and recognizing their irreplaceable role in agriculture. Dung beetles are more than just nature's recyclers. They're vital to healthy farms and wild spaces, but their future depends on us. What can we do to protect these unsung heroes? Farmers can help by reducing pesticide use, leaving patches of land undisturbed, and planting native wildflowers. These simple actions create safe havens for dung beetles to thrive. Communities can support conservation by joining local habitat restoration projects and spreading awareness about the importance of dung beetles. Every effort counts, from school gardens to city parks. Scientists around the world are studying dung beetles to better understand their role and how to protect them. Supporting research and conservation groups helps ensure these insects have a future. Together, we can make a difference. Whether you're a farmer, gardener, student, or nature lover, your actions matter. Let's work together to protect dung beetles and the ecosystems they support. Thank you for joining us on AGRI Chronicles. Share your ideas for supporting dung beetles in the comments, and subscribe for more stories of nature's hidden heroes. Until next time, keep farming with nature.